Hello everyone. Today I am going to display a TLM regarding 3 in 1. 3 in 1. This TLM can be used to express 3 things at a time. Let me introduce it, then you will come to know what it is. Okay, this is a 3 in 1 TLM. Why it is called 3 in 1 TLM? Because I have made 3 windows in this and they represent 3 things. I am going to introduce male, female and young ones. For example, dog. Dog is related to male. Female, bitch. Young ones, young one is called as pup. Rooster. Rooster, we called it as cock also. It is male. Female is hen. Its young one is called as chick. Next example is related to horse. Male is horse, female is mare, and its young one is called as foal. Next example is related to sheep. Sheep is male, Eve is female, and its young one is called as lamb. As I said, it is a multi-purpose TLM. I'll be introducing degrees of comparison. See, 3 things can be displayed in this. Positive degree, big. Comparative degree, bigger. Superlative degree, biggest. Next example is good, better, best. Good is positive degree, better is comparative degree, and best is related to superlative degree. Next is far, farther, farthest. Far is positive, farther is comparative degree, and farthest is superlative degree. Next example is ill. Ill or bad is related to positive degree, worse is related to comparative degree, and worst is related to superlative degree. One more example. Active, more active, most active. Active is related to positive degree, more active is related to comparative degree, and most active is related to superlative degree. This TLM can be used for lower as well as higher classes students. It is a very nice and very innovative TLM. This TLM is a multi-purpose TLM. It is not only useful for only teaching grammar. It can be used in maths, science, essays, geography and all other subjects. For example, in essays, we can write a name of a state, then its capital and the language used. In maths, we can introduce plus, minus, multiplication, etc. Also, it is related to all other subjects. In this way, when we are going to introduce 3 things at a time, this chart can be used. So it is called as 3 in 1 TLM. You can make use for any other subjects as you wish. Please, it is a very nice and very good TLM. You can utilize it in your own way. Thank you.